everybody, and welcome back to my channel. And the reason I don't have my little thing up here is because it doesn't work right now. I don't know why, but it does. So I saw this game and it looked cool, so hopefully it's fun. It looks like a pirate slash ship game, so it's probably gonna be fun. Oh, shoot. Size. Ow! Ah, nuts. Blue wins? I just joined in and we lost. They're trying to kill me! Save me, guys! I'll choose you. I don't know what to do. Oh, be captain. I want to be captain. Be captain. I'm being captain. Cannon, pilot, treasure, dig for treasure, and sword. This doesn't sound. Oh, something's actually happening. I guess I can just. I don't know if I'm supposed to be. I don't know. Wait, am I supposed to protect that spot? I think I'm supposed to protect that spot. Okay. Ah, man, I wasn't captain. I'm gonna press B captain. How do I? Oh! I'm next captain. So, sweet. Alright, then I gotta get on your face. I gotta get. Oh, what is this happening? Sorry about that. No, he's controlling. Oh. Oh. This is gonna be a tough, isn't it? And they can only go so far, which is just peach. Pilot. Cause I can't even deal. Can I shoot a shark? Shark, get over here. Shark, get up. Are you? Oh, they're shooting at us. Captain! Fire! Wait, what? Fire. Okay. You just stole my... Oh. Take him. I got cans right here. So, they are... Oh! Yeah, this one's not good. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go over. Oh. Boom! Hey, I'm actually doing something. Oh, shoot! What the? Sharks! Don't eat me! I need to get in the ship. How? I'll be back. I'll be back when I get on the ship. Okay, guys, I'm back on the ship. And I need a cannon. Wait a second. Oh. Cannon. Oh, shoot. Come on. Fire! Make them sink, sire. Oh, long range. Standard. Select. I only have standard. Oh, come on. Fire. Okay, good. We're doing it. This is really hard because you have to, because the cannonballs go downwards, they work like real cannonballs. But,
I want you to do it.
That's my sister.
Look, she has glasses and everything.
I'm making a video.
Yeah, I know. Just so I have to do that.
Oh, that was my sister Daisy. Really irritating. But ow! No! You butt! Oh! Oh yes. Oh shoot. Captain! We're getting taken overboard. Captain! What are we doing? Ah! on this cannon, the backside, so we can actually get in the backside. Maybe. Are we trying to board them, or what are we doing? Yeah, we're boarding them. Oh man, this stinks. Charge! Yeah, we're not gonna be able to board them. I'm just gonna go. Boom! Make a hole so we can actually get in there. Oh shoot! He just left the. No. Okay. I'm sorry about this, Captain. Captain! I went overboard for you. So now, I am trying to board the boat. Captain? I need help. Captain, get over here! Get over here, Captain! I'm just gonna reset my character. Reset. Alright, I'm gonna go to the lowest. Oh, we're sinking. I need a check. Maybe that's just... Okay, let's go down to a lower. Why is there sinking? See, I told you it was nothing. We're not sinking yet. So I'm just gonna go right here in this cannon and fire! Dish. No, can't really see very well. Oh, eat that. Only sink one ship before this video ends. Come on, Captain! We must sink this ship. Come on! Well, the sharks are after them. Sharks! Fire big! Nuts! What is the captain doing? Is anyone even steering this ship? And if the captain's steering... No. Oh my word, the ship. Are we going away? Or are we trying to get closer? I can't really tell here, but I think we should be getting closer. Captain, get off. We're losing them. Oh, thank you. I am finally. What? Oh, too bad. Look what you did, Captain. You literally just made us stuck. Because you're stupid pilot. You stink. You need an autopilot, man. Oh, there's a seagull. Seagull, give us luck. Okay, come on. Get out of the stuff. Here we go. Yes! Going full speed, I think. I'm just gonna sit on here, because I'm not letting anyone change course. We are not going to run away. We are gonna charge and board it. No, we aren't, because I hate that. I hate boarding them people. Come on. We are coming in hot. Let's turn. Oh, that way. This way. Stop there. Come on! Jump in! Fire! Wait, what are we? No! No! Two pilot. Nuts! I gotta get cannons and just fire. Destroy their sails! Ah! Wait, it's close. Okay, let's go over here. The good cannons are. I want to control a cannon. Stupid. Oh my word, they're true. I said I don't want to get boarded. So what do? You get up close so we can board them. Well, I dropped a bow. No! I'm not dying yet! I'm not dying! Okay, I'm alive. Oh no! They got in! Intruders! Are we trying to board him? Or cannon! Fire! So I can board him. Come on! Really? Are you what are you doing, Captain? Captain? I'm starting to... Ah! Wait, no one's getting... What the? Get off! Get off! Are you trying to get us killed? We're dead. Cannon. Okay. Fire! Alright, let's take out some stuff from in. Yeah. Okay, let's check on damage patrol. Well, actually damage patrol would be me going down. Alright, let's do damage patrol. I mean, I'm by like if we're sinking or not. We do not want to sink. But then on the other hand, we want them to sink. Oh, fire! There's, I think they might be sinking. Maybe. Oh, we're gonna get boarded. Oh, shoot. 4 swords. We're gonna get boarded. Huzzah! 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 So what the? He's got a gun? What the? Oh, shoot. So yeah! Swords blazing! I'm just chopping off pieces of this. It's not working, sir. Take over that ship! Got them. We're taking them over! Not really. Oh! Not even able to... So, boarding them is worth nothing! I am the king! Where's our boat? Go! Who's sailing this? The captain. Thank you, Captain. For making us win! We're actually seeing them. I thought we were just gonna lose. 1. Come on. Come on! Sink them! Come on! Fire! Okay. Alright, let's check our damage patrol. Let's check if we... Okay, we're... Oh, we are... I think... It feels like we're sinking, but we're not. Now, where are they? Are they behind us? No, right there. Now they're sinking. Okay, I'm just gonna grab this one really quick. Oh! Yeah, use them. Oh, shoot! Yo, cannons. Okay. Fire low, but not too low because then if it goes in the water, it doesn't really work. Yes! So the backside is almost completely fine. So let's change that. Oh, shoot, man. These people again. People. Whoever's controlling these ships. Stupid. We can't do anything. You're just making them have an advantage. Because we're not shooting them. Oh, fire right here. Fire right here, sorry, not here. You're just gonna divert. I'm just gonna use them as a diversion so I can just keep shooting. Okay, now. No one's controlling the ship. I'm getting out of here, man. I'm done with these people. We gotta fire from afar. Not just charge right in. So, I'm just gonna leave these people. Get me out of here. We're stuck? Turn the boat. Turn the boat! They got treasure! Nope. Come on! They got treasure then.